I have two things to tell you about these jar vacuum sealers, but first, I want to tell you why I love these. I do keep so many things in jars. I have lots of awesome mason jars, and I love to keep all of my pantry items in jars and keep them fresh. So every time I get a bag of pasta or any oatmeal or any pantry item, I will empty them into a mason jar, especially nuts and seeds and spices. So you get two sizes, the regular size and the wide mouth. You get your hose, you can attach it to your vacuum sealer. And here is my first tip. Make sure that your jar is clean on the mouth and clean on the inside, and that you make sure that the seal is connected on there. And you'll see it's just a simple rubber, and the inside has a hole here. That is where the air will be sucked out. So basically all you do is pop that on. So your seal is tight, put this on, and then get your canister running. And it will shut off when it is done. So for the small mouth jar, it's the same idea. You pop it on. Once it's done, you're going to have a perfect seal. And also, as you can tell, it's also good for wet foods. Now, my second tip is, this is not a substitution for heat canning. Now, if you have foods like jams or jellies or any preserves, you need to go through the hot bath canner to get them canned. Now, one thing I like is if I open it up, then I will be putting it in the fridge. But if I know that these preserves are not going, I don't use them daily, then I will be able to do the vacuum seal on here to kind of keep it in the fridge a little longer. So those are my two tips, and I hope that you will enjoy these food savers. They are great to keep your food fresh longer. I highly recommend them. If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.